Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Realme Buds T300 and I'm going to show you how to factory reset them. So, to factory reset them, we have to at first remove them from our case and touch our touch panel for at least 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now we have to insert back our headphones into our case and they are factory resetted. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.